What's going on, guys? I'm Joseph Q, and I'm with the BBQ Pit Boys. Today, we're gonna make us a muffaletta. All right, guys. So, muffaletta is essentially a couple different things. One, it's a recipe that was brought over from Sicilian immigrants to New Orleans in the United States, and essentially consisted of a round loaf of bread, various Italian meats and cheeses, and a muffaletta style olive salad. Today, we're going to put that together for you. So we have here, we have 200 grams of flour, and I'm using a bread flour today. You can certainly use an all-purpose. The gluten content and whatnot is going to be a little bit higher with the bread flour to give you a better outside crunch to the bread as well, and just overall better structure. So we're going to put that in here. Into our 200 grams of flour, we're going to add 200 milliliters of water. We're also going to add about 5 grams worth of honey, and 1 packet of yeast. I'm using a instant yeast, fast acting, and just 1 packet. Now we're going to mix this flour together, get it all integrated. All right, now that our dough is nice and mixed, we're going to cover this up, let it sit for about an hour, and then put it into our refrigerator overnight. All right, now that our bread is proofing, what we're going to do is we're going to make an olive salad. And this is the second part here to the muffaletta. And what we have here is a medley of olives. You can get blacks, calamatas, greens, Greek olives, whatever. And a jar of pickled vegetables. This is also known as jardiniere. You can usually find this next to your Italian specialty pickled vegetables, usually consisting of some celery, some cauliflower, carrots, peppers, various garden ingredients right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to dice up this and this together, and that's going to be the topping for our sandwich. All right, our dough is ready for the second stage. We're going to add 60 grams of flour, 8 grams of salt. I gotta give this a mix. do here, work the dough a little bit, fold it in on itself. All right, so we're gonna add a little oil here to our pan. Spread that around a bit. We're now gonna add our bread dough to the pan. We're gonna kind of push it around. All right, leave a little room there. We're gonna come in with a little egg wash. And hit the top of our bread. And hit that with some sesame seeds. Alright guys, we got the smoker set to 425, and today we're using a pellet cooker. Reason why? Because this thing is like a big convection oven. You got airflow moving around, even consistent temperature. This thing's going to be perfect for making bread. We'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, got us a nice bread knife here. Let's go ahead and cut this loaf. Bingo. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little olive oil. I'm going to drizzle it. On both sides here. Take a little Italian herbs. Throw that on there. Take our olive salad. Next, we're going to hit it with a little provolone cheese. Just like so. And if you didn't think that was enough cheese, we're going to also hit it with a little Swiss. Nice nutty balance here. Next, we're going to hit it with a little mortadella. You think that's enough? Nah, let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. I like mortadella. What about you guys? Boom. Alright, next, one of my favorites. Some salami. Genoa. Let's go all the way around this guy with this. Just like that. Alright, last but not least, Capicola.
Gonna put in my bib, gonna mix some sauce. Grab my on the lay, baby, show you who's boss. Got my skeet in my hair, baby, I don't care. Gonna butter some biscuits, grab me a pair on.
This.
Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. I got my barbecue shoes on.
I'll show you this.
Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna throw up some legs and get some barbecue action.
Alright. I'm not gonna apologize for eating in front of you here, but this is a pitmaster privilege.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.